So in this video, I'll teach you how to play scales with two octaves from the right hand. In the earlier video, I have already thought about the scales with one octave, and this is my middle octave, and we are going to play from middle octave to the higher octave. So follow me. So this is the first scale which will play with two octaves, and the next scale is D major scale. Again, this is also we are going to practice with in two octaves. Next scale is F major scale with two octaves. Next scale is G major scale in two octaves. The A major scale will not play here because that is going to be a bit tough. So only we are going to practice these four scales: C major, D major, F major, and G major, which you can practice daily. But before learning this two octave scale, you need to practice the previous scales in one octave, which I have told you in the previous video.